In this simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur out faces from a photo in Adobe Photoshop. So I have an image open here and it's got people in it, obviously showing their faces. Let's just imagine I want to get rid of 4 of these 5 people. First of all, in the layer panel, I'm going to double click on the background layer to make it into a normal layer. Then I'm going to duplicate it by using this burger menu at the top right. So click the burger menu and go to duplicate layer. Press OK. Now in this layer here with it selected, we're going to go to filter, go down to blur and go to Gaussian blur. In here we need to adjust the slider until it becomes blurry enough so we can't see the faces. So in this photograph I'd say around 35 to 40 is probably about enough, so just somewhere between is totally fine. Press OK. Now we've got a totally blurry image. What we need to do with this blurry image is add a mask to it. To do that, go down to the bottom of the layer panel and this little button here, it's like a rectangle with a circle in it. Click that and it'll add a mask. Now the mask is currently white. We need it to be black. We need to invert it. So to do that on my keyboard, I just press Command and I and that will invert the mask from white to black. Now what we need to be able to paint out the faces is to use the brush tool. So hit B on the keyboard and will pop the brush. You can also go to the toolbar and hit the brush icon as well. And in here what we need to do is we need to paint the faces white basically. So to adjust your brush size, you can adjust it at the top here using the brush settings. I like to just use the sort of some keys on the keyboard next to P and return. They're like brackets. Makes it larger and smaller. You can adjust the hardness as well. I like to have a little soft edge, so I've got the hardness all the way down at 0. Okay, so what we need to do next with white as our colour in there, to change these two colours is a quick shortcut. If we press D and X, it will change that from black to white and it will also reset it. Right, now we've got it on white, let's just start clicking some faces. Click on that face there, it starts to blur it out. So just use it as a brush and blur out the faces by holding down, and all I'm doing is just kind of circling. So I've now circled 4 out of the 5 faces. So that's how to easily blur out faces in Adobe Photoshop. If you got something out of this tutorial, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty of other tutorials on my channel that you can enjoy. Thanks for watching this time, and I'll see you in the next one.